I was sent this iridescent skull wax melt warmer. How cool is this? I mean, perfect for Halloween, but also so beautiful for year round. So that's what it looks like on the inside. It does come with the little warming plate for the top, and it comes with the little bulb as well. So we'll just get that put inside of there, and then we'll plug it in, and it doesn't come with the wax melt, so you do need to have that separately, but let's go ahead and test it out. Look how cool it looks plugged in and on. So awesome. And this is kind of in darker lighting, so depending on the time of day, it's gonna look differently. So all you do is plug it in, and then on here, when you turn it on, it looks like that. And then there's also a 4-hour timer, a 6-hour timer, and a 12-hour timer. So let's go ahead and pop it to the 4-hour timer. We're gonna put that on top, and now I'm gonna add my wax melts. It's hard to tell, but with the lights a little more dim, there's actually quite a bit of rainbow color coming through. Again, hard to see it in the camera. You can see a little hint of green like at the cheekbone of the skulls, but it's really, really awesome. So I love all the colors, and the wax is at the top now and getting warmed up. The wax melts pretty fast. It's only been about 10 minutes, I would say, and almost done melting right there. When you're right on top of it, wow, it smells amazing, but I can also smell it from a distance away as well. It's been about half an hour now, and the wax has fully melted. My entire living room smells like the most delicious cookies baking in the oven. It smells so good in here, and this is such a beautiful, gorgeous skeleton wax melt warmer that's so fun as well, and sure to be a good conversation starter too.